Tonight, former Queensland Premier Anna Bligh joins us as special co-host.
And phobias, there's a way to beat them. Husey will show you how.
Hello and a very good evening to you. It's a new month and a new set of rainfall figures. 117 millimetres of rain is the average for May and it happens over about 12 days. 22.6 is the maximum generally and the overnight minimum is about 10.6 degrees. Plenty of sunshine today. Here's the sky scan and through the month we average 6.9 hours of sunshine every day with the clear skies overnight. 4 degrees was reported from Gingin this morning, 5 degrees from the airport, from Jandakot and at Dwellingup. The city went down to 7.4. That was at 8 minutes past 6 this morning. The maximum 21.7 at 6 to 3 this afternoon. At the moment, it's heading for 17 degrees. The winds are southwesterly at 19 kilometres an hour. The barometer just on 1,027 hectopascals and still rising, and the relative humidity around 60%. Daytime temperatures cool in the hills. 18 at Carnot today was the lowest in our area. It reached 22 at Gosnells, Guildford and Bullsbrook, and the highest wasn't much more than that. That was up at Lancelin, the 23 degrees. And for the state today, 38 at Wyndham in the far north Kimberley, the highest maximum. 15 was the lowest maximum, shown on the map there at Albany, but also reported from Rocky Gully and Manjimup. And the lowest last night was 2, that was recorded at Yeelirrie. In the West Kimberley, once again, there were some pretty good falls of rain in the 24 hours up until 9 o'clock this morning, particularly to the southeast of Derby. Luma in that area had 67 millimetres and Willair Bridge had a total of 65 millimetres. There were a few light falls along the southern coastline, but nothing exceeded millimetre really before 9 o'clock this morning. So the series of satellite photographs shows a cold front moving along the southern coastline and through the Bight region, but it looks like it's going to amplify more as it heads through southeastern Australia than in our area, and as a result 1.2 millimetres at Ravensthorpe has been the most since 9 this morning. Still a big feed in from the northwest across the Pilbara and the Gascoyne region, mostly producing shade at this stage. Further north, isolated showers and thunderstorms are occurring through the Pilbara and the Kimberley region. On the surface pattern, we have the ridge of high pressure strengthening. The centre of that high is about 1,034 hectopascals. Around it, we're getting some strong winds along the Euclid coast and a very cold change through southeastern Australia. And then there is a strong wind warning north of Jurien Bay all the way around to Curie Bay in the Kimberley for the northern half of the state. The rainfall, scattered showers will continue along the southern coastline. They will just creep into adjacent inland parts for a period tomorrow morning. Isolated showers and thunderstorms will continue in the northeast of the Kimberley, and there is the possibility of some isolated early showers in eastern parts of the Pilbara, but that should clear off by about lunchtime. For the rest of the week, we're going to be under the influence of the high, and as I mentioned last night, our next chance of picking up some showers is going to be later on Sunday. Around the nation now, most cities are expecting very cool conditions. 15 in Adelaide, 14 in Melbourne, 14 also expected in Hobart, and 13 the estimated maximum in Canberra. Those cities all expecting showers, and in the north, Brisbane could pick up a shower or thunderstorm, and Darwin an afternoon shower. On the local waters, east to southeasterly winds of 15 to 20 knots should ease to 10 knots in the morning and then be tending south to southeasterly at 15 to 20 knots late in the afternoon. Seas in the middle of the day around 1 metre, but up to 1 to 1.5 metres later in the day, the swell between 2 and 2.5. High tides under 1.2 metres at 18 minutes past 10 in the morning and the low tide under 0.7 of a metre at 20 minutes past 8 tomorrow night. Forecast for the city is for a sunny day with light east to southeasterly winds becoming moderate south to southwesterlies in the afternoon, heading down to 6, tomorrow's maximum 21. On Saturday, becoming cloudy, a minimum of 7 and a top of 22. Then the nights will be a little bit warmer, with Sunday a shower or two developing, a top of 22. Monday a shower or two clearing and a top at 19 degrees. After that, it looks like cloudy till next Thursday when we could pick up a shower.
Showers are good.
They are good, Narelda.
Thanks, Michael. Finally tonight, a plucky piglet, unable to use his back legs after he was crushed by his mother, has been given a second chance at life. 3-week-old Leon Trotsky has proved he's unstoppable on 2 wheels, using a little cart to help him get around.
He's just so incredibly cute and he wants to live, and that's what we're going to do, give him every chance to live the best possible life he can.
While Leon feels the need for speed now, it's hoped his little bones will one day heal. And that's all from the Perth newsroom for now. Thanks for your company. Good night. What do you think of little Leon?
Wow, I thought he was fabulous.
He's fabulous.